of Environmental Science, School of Environmental Science and Management, in collaboration with the Outreach, Extension and Continuing Education Program OECE of Independent University Bangladesh, organized a 2-day workshop titled Youth Participation in Conservation on the 11th and 12th of January 2018 in the district of Bakerganj, Borishal. The workshop, which was conducted in a local school with 20 female students, aimed at increasing awareness amongst the youth population regarding the importance of the younger generation playing a more active role in the conservation of our fast disappearing biodiversity. This program was initially designed under a research project already being undertaken in Bakerganj, which aims to better understand and eventually help conserve the local jackal populations. In light of this, the workshop emphasized on jackals and consisted of interactive sessions regarding the importance of jackals both for the environment and for human beings, and delved in detail into ways to conserve this highly misunderstood creature. The workshop also entailed interactive sessions and activities which focused on engendering leadership and initiative taking amongst the participants. The first day of the workshop mainly focused on leadership skills and began with a detailed briefing session regarding IUB itself, the magnificence of which awed the participants, many of whom expressed their desire to go study in it in future. The rest of the day followed up with sessions on the environment and how it is being harmed by human beings, which included dramas and skits conducted by the facilitators. The participants enjoyed these immensely. And the message got through quite well. Quite a few game sessions were a part of this workshop, 2 of which were in the first day. These sessions, whilst quite enjoyed by the participants, entailed important lessons for them, which were discussed and embedded in follow-up sessions. The second day again started with a session on the correlation of human beings with their environment, and this session focused on making the participants understand better why we need the environment rather than the other way around. This session was followed by several sessions that focused on conflict management, which eventually led to sessions that elaborated on the Jackal project itself and jackal-human conflict, which has actually been going on in Bangladesh for quite some time now. Towards the end of the day, a session was conducted which basically got the participants talking about solutions to the conflict between jackals and humans, and quite a number of interesting and viable solutions came up. The participants were quite interested in talking about solutions and seemed extremely enthusiastic about saving these highly misunderstood creatures. The workshop, which DES and OECE aims to conduct in more districts across Bangladesh, was amongst numerous such outreach programs that IUB does in order to spread education and awareness to the remotest corners of the nation. IUB does these in hopes of playing its part in making Bangladesh a prosperous, educated, and forerunning country in the world.